The Badger wide receiver facing sexual assault charges will go to trial.
Quintez Cephus was in court today where his attorneys tried to dismiss the case. Amanda Quintana is live from the Dane County courthouse with what happened during today's hearing. Amanda?
Yes, well, after arguing about what names to call the alleged victims in the courtroom and then whether the criminal complaint paints the full picture of what happened on that night in April, the judge decided there is probable cause to go to trial.
The state has met its burden and has shown to a level of probable cause that a felony was committed and that Mr. Cephus is the individual who probably committed that felony.
Badgers receiver Quintez Cephus will go to trial, facing second and third degree sexual assault charges, crimes that could put him in prison for 50 years. But his defense says the accounts of the two women accusing him of rape are unreliable.
Every fact is going to be hotly contested. And we think and believe that at the end of this case, when all the facts are known, that what we've said from the very beginning will be demonstrated, that all three people who were in that room that night knew exactly what they were doing.
His attorneys plan to argue that the women weren't drunk, saying surveillance footage from Cephus's apartment contradicts that.
She never needs assistance in walking. She climbs upstairs without any assistance. And she converses, as I've previously indicated, with Mr. Cephus and has no difficulty standing.
Along with a text message from the other woman early the next morning asking for an item she might have left behind.
Demonstrates, and I think there is a singular meaning here, that she knew where she had been, she knew who she was with, that she had left something at his apartment, and that she was capable of sending a coherent text.
The state hoping to prove it doesn't matter how drunk they were, it's the fact that they were incapable of giving consent.
I'm innocent. I know the truth. They know the truth. And, I look forward to clearing my name and fighting for who I am.
Now, in that criminal complaint, his roommate and fellow football player, Danny Davis, says he thought the girls were drunk, so this might become an issue once we go to trial. Now, after court, we asked Cephus how he feels about going to trial, since this means he's going to probably miss the entire football season. And at that point in the interview, he decided to stop commenting and leave.
Amanda Quintana reporting tonight. Thank you, Amanda.